Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to review something that I just recently purchased from Amazon and it's only $9.99. I always have the same hairstyle, like I'm always rocking that mom bun or my hair's just down curl. Like there's only like two hairstyles that I basically do. And I really wanted to purchase this here. This here is a hairpiece, so it's a ponytail that like is just long, because if I put my hair up, honestly, it's just like, what the fuck, you know? So let me show you guys. All right, so if I were to put my hair up, this is what my hair would look like. I'm not a fan of that. It's so short, and then when I straighten it, it just looks, I just don't like it. So that's why I purchased a ponytail. And the reason that I picked out this one here is because there was another one that you have like an option to pick the straight one. I was just scared that the straight one was going to be a little bit too thin for my hair. I will go ahead and link this hairpiece down below in my description box for you guys in case you guys are interested in it. This here is the hair, and it's not human hair, but it does feel like human hair. It's very, very soft, and as you guys can see, has a lot of texture, and it has a Velcro tie. I have no idea how this really works, but I'm really excited to try this out with you guys. It has like a little clip right here that you can put over your ponytail, I'm guessing, and then here's a Velcro that goes around. This is the hair that wraps around the ponytail to like hide the fact that you're wearing a hair piece. I've never tried anything like this before, so I might do it wrong. I don't know. Hopefully it looks okay. I do wear hair extensions, but it's difficult to sometimes hide the track, especially when my hair is really thin. As you guys can see, like there's like hardly any hair right here. Like I'm balding. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I'm gonna be styling this hairstyle, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down. My hair looks like this. And I'm gonna be slicking my ponytail back. I just don't like using gel in my hair. I'm gonna be using this Curls Rock. It's a leave-in moisturizer that I always use after I get out of the shower. It defrizzes my hair, it detangles it, and you can use it on wet or dry hair. My hair is not naturally curly, it is wavy, but my son's hair is curly, and that's why I kind of purchased this for him, but I've been using it. So basically what I'm gonna do is just spray my hair at the root. I'm going to take some of this leave-in and just apply it. Just towards the scalp area. Okay, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and brush out the hair. So once I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and just apply a hair tie. I'm also going to be taking some of this Ion Finishing Spray. To the back. And then with this, just kind of like comb it back this way. I really don't like slicking my hair back. In this back part, I'm just going to put a bobby pin just so that I can avoid any of these little short hairs falling off. Yeah, so this is what my ponytail would look like if I just wore it on its own. I just don't like the ends of it. Look at that. Now I'm going to take this little part right here. I'm going to hook that into the ponytail just like that. And then I'm going to take this here, put it under and around. Am I doing this right? I'm not. Okay, so this side right here is where the Velcro strip is. I have to like tuck it under, and then I bring in ponytail looks like. Can't even see my hair in here. Ooh, and it feels really secure. I love this so much. I'm 4'11" and this ponytail almost comes down to my butt down here. You guys can see how like it has some brown tones to it, which I really wanted that because my hair is like black towards the root and then it just kind of goes into this type of color. So I wanted to do something like that. But look at you guys, it's so pretty. It's seriously only $9.99 and I kind of want to buy the straight one now, but I'm not mad at all of this. Like, it has so much movement to it. It moves like real hair. I had to go back in and readjust this little Velcro because I wrapped it wrong the first time. So just make sure you know exactly what side the Velcro, the side of the Velcro that sticks to the other one. Make sure it's on correctly because I just like wrapped it around super fast because I was super excited. But and now you can see that it's a full-on ponytail. It just looks so fabulous. So now bringing it to the side, this is a whole style right here. I can't wait to style it like in a lower ponytail. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. You guys can also wrap it around if you guys have like a very small amount of hair like I do. You can wrap it around and do a bun. You just have to like bobby pin it down, but see? Oh, I've never been able to do this because I don't have that much hair. This is also like really cute, but I definitely have to like mess with it more. Okay, so I'm pulling up the order that I made and I'm gonna read you guys what it says on here. This product is made of high quality synthetic heat resistant fiber, which makes it look and feel like real human hair. Because it's designed to be easy and comfortable to use, you can easily wear it without any extra help. This product is washable and can be permed. Also, you can restyle it into your favorite hairstyle. The length of this is 22 inches and it's about 125 grams of hair. The color that I chose has black mixed auburn brown, and let's see, it may get tangled after 2 to 3 wears because the synthetic cloths that build up the static, especially in winter, besides the dust and moisture in the air, may hurt the synthetic hair fiber. To prevent it, kindly remind that you can get a spray bottle and put some conditioner on it, then fill it up with water. Spray in the hair extensions. It will make the hair extensions not very dry and prevent getting tangled in some extent. So that's a little bit of information regarding this hair that I'm wearing right now. I don't feel like it's getting tangled by me moving it around so far, so I guess you just have to take really good care of it. We'll see how it wears throughout the next couple of times. It also did come with 2 little hair ties in here, and I actually really like these hair ties. I just forgot that they were in there and I used my own. But I like these hair ties because it doesn't leave any creasing in your hair. I just don't like hair ties that crease my hair. I don't like it. So these here, there's 2 of them, and then also there's a couple bobby pins so that you can pin your hair away whenever you wrap it around your ponytail. I think I used the word excited a little bit too much, but I'm really excited to keep playing around with this hair and just do different hairstyles. I know I'm definitely going to be doing like braids because I want a fluffy braid, which I'm never able to do with my natural hair because it's so thin. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and just brace yourself as I'm going to be bringing you guys Valentine's Day inspired looks from here up until February 14th. And hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye!